How to find apps running in the background on your iPhone. So checking which applications are running in the background of your iPhone is really important as this can drain your battery life and also affect performance. So I'm going to show you two different ways we can go and manage this. Now the first method is just by swiping up from the bottom of your iPhone screen, and if you use your finger to swipe upwards like so, you'll be able to see all of the applications that are currently running in the background on your iPhone. Now we can stop and close these applications from running just by swiping up on the application that you want to close, and that's going to stop that app from running in the background. Now, the second way you can do this is by opening up the Settings app on your phone. You can then scroll down to the bottom and click on Apps. Go and select the app that you want to check. So, for example, if I click on Booking.com, you'll see this feature here called Background App Refresh. Now, when this is enabled, this will allow the app to use your mobile data as well as it constantly running in the background on your iPhone. So to stop this app from running in the background, you can toggle off Background App Refresh, and that will stop this application from running in the background. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.